Hi everyone, we are from GGN Institute of Management and Technology, Ludhiana, in Punjab, state of India. We are one of the first technical colleges affiliated to IKG Punjab Technical University in Punjab, state of India. We feel pride in being part of this team. So myself, Dr. Harpreet Singh from GGNIMT. Whenever we are talking about the personality development part, something very important comes is that it's not what you speak, it's also very important how you speak. How you speak means the sounds, the pronunciation styles, and so on. In English, they are very important. So when you are speaking, whether you are speaking impressively or not, that is always something which is there in the state of mind for any student when he or she is making any presentation or giving any interview and so on. So it's important that how we should speak impressively. That is something intended always by everyone. So today we'll be talking about phonetics, the fundamentals of phonetics, rather the symbols of phonetics, sounds, basic sounds of phonetics, so that we understand the fundamental first, then we can carry on the advanced part of the phonetics later on. So today we'll be talking about the phonetics, basically the symbols and the sounds, the basic sounds. So when you speak, any student especially speaks, he or she always feels somewhere that how she or he is looking when she is speaking, how people are reacting to her face when she is or he is speaking. So it means somehow we feel that speaking impressively is important, otherwise will look like this one. I'm just sharing this fun part because that is the fear of any student having in his or her mind when she or he is speaking. So first of all, we'll be taking up the long vowels. In long vowels, let me clarify a few things here because the school-going children, they always feel a problem where to use a and any article there, a or an. Normally, in many schools, they are taught that wherever the vowel is there, a, I, O, U is there, we have to use an, but some exceptions are there. No, it's not the exceptions part. We are not going for the vowels A, E, I, O, U here. Rather, we are going for vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are U, E. In Punjabi, we call it Uda, Eda, Ed. In Hindi, it is U, E. These are the vowel sounds. Wherever these vowel sounds are there, we have to use an. For example, university. In university, is the j sound. Is though the vowel is there u, but the sound is j, not u, e. Any sound is not there, so we'll go for a university. So, but in honest, the consonant h is there in the beginning, but the sound is the vowel sound, so we'll go for an honest person. So we have to go for u, e sound, and wherever these vowel sounds are there, we'll go for an. Otherwise, we'll go for a. Anyway, not going away from the main topic, the long vowels. Long vowels means wherever when we are speaking any word, I'm saying speaking any word, speaking means the long vowel sound is there. We pronounce the word by completing the breath. For example, is sheep. It's not sheep. Is sheep. We complete the sound of E. When the breath completes naturally, we utter the sound P. Is sheep, is not sheep. In sheep, we are stopping our breath somewhere in between. But in sheep, we are not stopping, we are letting it completed. Then farm is not farm. Is farm, is cool, is horse, is bird, is not bird, is not horse, is horse. So a sound is completed when we are going for the next sound there. It's not cool, it's cool. So we are going to complete the O sound till the breath completes naturally, then only we are going to speak the l part. School. So important thing here in the symbols is that you can see clearly there is a colon with every symbol. This colon represents the long vowels. Is sheep is not ship. Is farm is not farm. Is cool is not cool. Is horse, so it's bird. So we are going for some long vowel sounds here. Right? So it's hot, it's not hot. It's hot, hot. So we are completing the breath somewhere. So these are the called long vowels. Similarly, there are short vowels also. Short vowels, for example, there is no colon sound, right? Colon with the symbol here. Is ship, is back, is hat, is rich, foot, sock, cup, head, above, mother, right? So here the sound where the breath is stopped naturally. Ship, hat, foot. So we are stopping the breaths, right? One word I have written here is I love you. So whenever to any child we say I love you, it's not love, it's love. Normally we say what a lovely child. No, what a lovely child, not lovely. Lovely. So the sound is cup, not cup. Right? So you identify the symbol here, please. It's the reverse V here. Sock, foot, hat, back, ship, head, above, mother. So you just see the symbols here for the sound, right? So the symbols of short vowels are not having colons. You see the voice consonants here. Simple, same. Book is for bo, b, day, d, give, g sound, g. Very is represented by v. So we sound very. Now I'll just ask you one question: how you will pronounce O-N-E and W-O-N? O-N-E is one V sound, and W-O-N is one. So you see how I'm speaking these words. One, when the upper jaw is touching your lower lip, is one. V sound. V. Just try to touch your upper jaw with the lower lip. One. Victory. Van. But in W sound, W-O-N, it is one. We round up our lips. One. Woman. Woman. Right? So W sound is round up of lips. V sound V sound is when your upper jaw is touching your lower lip. So it is V sound. Very, not very. It's very. The, as we did earlier also, the sound is like this one. Symbol is this one. Now Z, zoo. And with this, another part is J is represented as J in English. It's not J. J sound, I'll be telling the symbol differently later on. I'll be differentiating between Z sound, J sound, J sound, and Z sound. Just see, look, run, R, W. I explained it's welcome. It's not welcome. It's welcome. Moon, moon. Again, the long vowel sound is there, but M sound is represented as M only. Then its name, N sound is represented by N only. New. Right? So the symbols of sounds are same way as they are in English alphabet, except for vision. Y is for J. The is having a different symbol. Z sound is different. Z sound is different. J sound is different. J sound is different. So it's jump. Jump is D and Z, small z. So that is J sound here. Right? So z, j, j sounds are different. Yes, j sound is there, but it is represented as j sound. In jump or jug, the symbol is small d and small z. The combination of that j sound is there. But in vision, measure, pleasure, it's not player, it's not mayor, it's pleasure, z sound. You are touching your last part of the tongue with the portion behind your lower teeth set, and then you pronounce the sound z, z, z. So it is vision, it's pleasure, it's measure, it's not measure, it's not measure, it's mez, it's not z sound, it's z, z, not z, not j, not j. So the difference is clear here. Zoo, vision, measure, pleasure, jump, and then yes. So the sounds are different here, so the symbols are different here. One very important symbol to understand here is just see the ng sound. The combination of N and G, ng sound. Ng sound will be a combination of N and G. The second leg of N is extended as part of G somewhere, so that becomes this sound, please. Right? So this is sank. Sang. The no sound is there. The voiceless pen is not pen. Normally, when we imitate the Britishers, the Americans, the Europeans overall, so we try to speak the words. Let me clarify. There are three sounds in English which are called aspirated sounds, where the her sound is somewhere along with us. So it's not pen, it's pen. It's not kite, it's kite. It's not town, it's town. So P, T, K sound are aspirated sounds. We speak a little of herb with it. And remember, please, for these three sounds only, P, T, K, these are the H sound is there. The pen, the town, the cat. It's not cat, it's not town, it's not pen. Right? So some her sound with the p sound, some her sound with t sound, some her sound with k sound is always there in the beginning if these three letters are there. So pen is town, is cat, is fish, fish. Thick, thick is the theta. Thit is say, sir, s, small sir. She, just see the symbol. Sh sound. The symbol is like this one, please. The ch sound, the symbol is wherever the sh symbol was there, a t is prefixed with that symbol becomes ch sound. It's cheese. Cheese. So just try to understand these symbols, please. Ch sound symbol is like this one. Sh sound symbol is like this one. Theta is like this one. Fish, symbol F, and then PTK sound with some small H sound with this one. Then come the diphthongs. Diphthongs are the combination of sounds. So it's not day, it's day. E and I sound. It's day, it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's not Wednesday, it's Wednesday because W sound, round up of the lips, then day, not day. Right? So just see the diphthong here, E and I sound. Similarly for I, it's not I, it's I. It's boy. O sound is there. It's not O sound, it's not O sound, it's O sound. A long vowel. O, boy, boy. It's not boy, it's not boy, it's boy, boy, toy. Right? So O sound is bigger sound here. Boy, toy, ploy. Similarly, ear, hair, just see ear sound, small e and small sound. Reverse e as the small sound, choti ki matra, right? E then e and small choti ki matra is hair, hair. Air sound, ear sound, right? So these are the different diphthongs here, please. Boy, not boy, is boy, right? So these are the diphthong sounds. Day, I, boy, mouth, and u sound. Mouth, then comes the ear, hair, and then the P-U-R-E. Normally we call it pure. It's not pure, it's pure. Pure. You just see a sound is also there with this. Pure. Right? Pure sound. It's not nose. It is nose. O and U sound. O and O. O. Small O sound. It's nose. It's not nose. G-O is not go. It is go. Go. A small O sound is there before the O sound. So it is nose. It's goes. Right? He goes there. It's not he goes there. Goes there. So diphthong is there. It's not O sound, it is O sound. With practice, we can learn all this. Let's see. Normally, if any word ends with R sound, we don't pronounce R sound. But if the next word is starting with a vowel sound, then R is pronounced. Is 4 apples. Otherwise, is 4 boys. R sound will not be there. 4 boys. Is 4 apples, because apple sound is the vowel sound. In boys, b sound is the consonant sounds. So something interesting for R sound. Enjoy? So important part to understand about phonetics is to understand the length of the sound, the vowel length sounds, short vowels or long vowels. We must learn how to speak the diphthong, the combination of sound. Once we learn all this, once we identify all the symbols in dictionary, before learning the meaning, learn the pronunciation for the same. Thank you very much, please.